Ordering a DTF Gang Sheet is easier than it looks. Let me show you step by step. We're going to start by creating our gang sheet in Canva. Open a blank canvas and set up your workspace based on your design needs. Since DTF gang sheets are always 22 inches wide, you can think of your layout as building vertically. Now start adding your designs one by one. Upload all your graphics into Canva, then place them onto the canvas. Try to keep everything organized and close together to avoid wasting space. Also, make sure your designs are high resolution. Low-quality files will print blurry, so always use clean, sharp images. Now let's move to the website. Go to the Upload DTF Gang Sheet section. Here you'll choose your sheet size. All sheets are 22 inches wide, so you're only selecting the length. Next, upload your file. After uploading your file, you can click on your design to make adjustments if needed. You'll see a pop-up with editing options where you can resize, reposition, or fine-tune your layout directly on the screen. This is helpful if you notice something slightly off and want to fix it before placing your order. You can also leave a note in the notes section if there's anything you'd like us to know. We print what you upload, so make sure everything looks exactly how you want it before placing the order. Once that's done, you're ready to check out. And that's it! Your DTF Gang Sheet order is complete. Simple, fast, and ready for production.